Hello, this is just a quick video to show you some of the problems you might come across with shading issues or when you're using a modifier. I'll get rid of my avatar Bob and I'll bring in Shift A. Just a minute, my screencast keys aren't on. Let's turn those on and you can see what keys I'm pressing. I'll do a Shift A, mesh, bring in a plane, RX90 so it faces me, scale it on the X, bring it in a bit, and I'll reset the transform just so there's no problems. All transforms, set origin to geometry, and I'm going to put in 3 loop cuts, 2, 3. Now I'm purposely going to flip the normals on one of them just to show you what happens when it comes to using the modifier. So if I do a Shift N on the keyboard, click on this little drop down here, you can see that says inside. Normally a Shift N will flip it, but if it doesn't, you press that to put it the right way around. That'll just keep flipping it backwards and forwards, and if I go into face orientation there, you can see that red face is the normals are facing the wrong way, and this little tick box will just flip it backwards and forwards. So I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to turn off my face orientation, and I'm going to apply a modifier to that by clicking on the spanner, or the wrench as Americans call it, and I'm going to add a solidify. Now when I click to bring this out, you see we've got a problem. It's not coming out because the middle face is the wrong way. Now when I see that, when using a solidify, straight away I think normals, flip them. Even if you put on the even thickness, it won't do anything because that normal is the wrong way around. So if we go up to face orientation again, you can see it's the wrong way. So what we do is we tab into it, we do an A, press Shift N on the keyboard. I don't think I'm tabbed into it. No, I'm not. Here I am. A, Shift N. Now that is not recalibrating, so let's grab that again. Make sure I've grabbed it. I can't tell because it's blue. A, I think I've got it all now. Shift N, that's it, I've got it all. And Shift N has recalibrated that normal now to the right way around, and you can see straight away the modifier's kicked in and it's doing its job now. It's doing the solidify. So now you can just tab out and apply that as normal. You'll also get the same problem, take it back, if you render it out or anything. You might see shading on it. Can you see that flicker? Because it's all wrong, it's the wrong way around. You can see you've got like a dark shadow to it there. So anything like that, shadowing or the modifiers won't work. Always think flip your normals. So do A again, Shift N, flip it back. And again, just apply that modifier to prove it's all working. And there we have it. And that's been another quick video just to how to fix little problems with shading. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.